Let us see how you can trigger a automation workflow or send data to Webhook whenever a widget pre-chat form is submitted. On the widgets page, click on this webhook icon here. Now get a webhook from the automations builder. Click on create new webhook on the widget section. Enter the webhook URL and decide when the data should be sent to this webhook. So we want it once the session is completed. Click on add webhook. Now this session is the pre-chat form which gets completed at that point of time. All the pre-chat questions will be sent to this webhook URL. Now click on capture incoming hook in the webhook. In the automations builder, now it can be a bottom right chat widget or the CTA buttons anywhere as soon as you fill the form or you complete the session. The data should be received here. You'll get all the information in regards of the IP, the page URL, and the pre-chat question as well as the answers. Now click on save. Now you can decide what you want to do with the data, possibly send to Google Sheet, or you can also send WhatsApp message or anything that you prefer.